Hey, it's Jay with General Formulations here for another GF Product Snapshot. Today we're talking about GF 290, our removable chalkboard vinyl. This is a 5mm chalkboard finish vinyl with a high tack removable adhesive. This is great for windows, for walls, for plastic signage without requiring any special surface prep. The vinyl is compatible with both soft and liquid chalks, and it's a great way for craft applications, for restaurants, for other wall decor to make your mark. You can learn more at generalformulations.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out the other videos there, and go follow us on Instagram as well. Thanks, see you next time.